What if the next major technological revolution wasn't about software or digital apps, but about making the physical world around us intelligent? Right now in Austin, Texas, that future is taking shape. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this inspired you or sparked new ideas. Since the 1990s, Austin has transformed from a quirky music town into a global innovation hub. This city isn't trying to become Silicon Valley 2.0, it's carving its own identity. It's now home to a powerful convergence of industry and intelligence. Think Tesla and Samsung factories, drone startups in every sector, and defense giants like Boeing blending aviation expertise with cutting-edge AI. UT Austin fuels much of this momentum with its world-class programs and a culture of fearless growth. This ecosystem isn't built on imitation, it's built on action. Nearly 75% of US computer science and electrical engineering grad students are foreign-born, and many bring their talents right here. The COVID spike protein breakthrough. UT Austin, the world's most powerful laser? A company rooted in Austin. Add to that some of the world's leading venture capitalists like Jim Breyer and Bill Gurley, and you've got a flywheel of innovation that's impossible to ignore. But what sets Austin apart now is its role in pioneering physical AI, where artificial intelligence doesn't just power software, but enhances the infrastructure that powers our world. We're talking about power grids, oil rigs, and manufacturing plants that become smarter, safer, and more efficient. Unlike digital systems that generate endless data, physical systems don't offer millions of examples. So new tools had to be built. AI that fuses temperature, vibration, and vision. Algorithms that detect anomalies with almost no examples. Models that scale from one machine to an entire network. The result? AI systems built in Austin are already optimizing cement plants, monitoring warehouses, and even helping maintain F-16s for the Air Force. And the stakes? Absolutely massive. Over $100 trillion worth of global infrastructure exists today, with another $100 trillion coming in the next few decades. These aren't assets we can just rip and replace. They need to be upgraded, made intelligent. Physical AI is the only viable path forward. Austin is perfectly positioned to lead this charge. Companies here are building humanoid robots, decentralized mesh networks, rockets, brain-computer interfaces, and more. Think Firefly Aerospace, Paradromics, Apptronic, Spec 5, and the ever-influential Dell. Here, the digital and the physical are merging into something entirely new, what we call synthetic physical autonomy. Imagine a warehouse that manages inventory without sensors, a power grid that heals itself, drones that adapt and defend autonomously. This is real, and it's happening now in Austin. Perfecting these systems here could give the world a scalable model for intelligent, self-optimizing infrastructure. This goes far beyond hype. Physical AI is already driving breakthroughs. Airbus is redesigning aircraft with generative AI to reduce costs. Shell is improving seismic imaging to find energy more efficiently. Robots from Austin-based companies are mastering multi-tool precision to automate manufacturing. True leadership in this field won't come from flashy buzzwords. It'll come from deep technical understanding and the courage to rethink everything we know about how the world works. Austin isn't just home to engineers. It's a city of thinkers, builders, and creators who ask what's next and actually make it happen. And what's next is a world where our infrastructure can think, adapt, and optimize itself, bringing us closer to solving massive global challenges and improving lives for billions. Don't miss the related video in the corner that takes this conversation even further into the world of AI and innovation.